Okay, this videotape is on my 81 Rabbit pickup truck. I'm going to give you a video overview. There's the front, the door. There's a little dent in the bed there. The wheels are 14-inch and they're the larger size. They have wheel adapters on them. There's a 4-inch block in the rear and a 2-inch strut block in the front. The tailgate is not original. It's off a tan truck that I had for parts. The back window was originally a slider, but one of the slider sides was broke, so I replaced it with just regular glass. That piece of trim on the bottom there has a broken clip, so I just put that piece of tape there to kind of hold it on, and I haven't got the clip yet for it. It's original paint as far as I can tell. It's a LX model, and the windshield is still good. There's the windshield sticker for the inspection. It's dated 2002. And here's the video of the front. You can see the cord. It has the block heater, and that's an 81 license plate that I was going to run on the back of the truck. Now that it's antique, it doesn't have to have a regular issued plate. It can use an antique plate. Okay, let me show you the interior. See this? Both these door panels are out of a car. No, actually the one on the passenger side is out of a truck. It's got the vent on the bottom. The other side is out of a car, but they're a little warped from being original. You could replace the cardboard, or they sell replacement panels for it. The steering wheel is out of a 83 Cabriolet, and I put an aftermarket Pioneer CD player in it. And the carpeting is out of the Cabriolet. It didn't quite fit on the sides, but it works. And then I got seat covers on there. And it's just a bare metal roof. Okay, let me show you the driver's side, and I'll go ahead and start the engine. Okay, let me start it. Turn on the key and wait for the glow plugs to warm up. The engine's a 1.6 liter. It's got a brand new timing belt, water pump. Injector pump is new. I had the alternator rebuilt. It's got new shift linkage. Oversized battery. New glow plugs. It has air conditioning, but I've never tried to convert it over to 134. The timing belt is a Continental timing belt. There it is. It runs good. It's right around 50 horsepower. So it's not too fast, but it's got a lot of torque. The wheel flares, I think, are off that same Cabriolet convertible that I parted out. It's got new calipers, new brake pads, rotors, wheel cylinders in the rear. And that's kind of a general overview of the Caddy. That's the end of my video.